Hey there, I'm Omar, and today we'll get to know DTE's Efficiency Hub, an experience designed to share energy-saving tips that will help you save money and the environment. Let's talk about your heating and cooling equipment. Did you know that if you upgrade your old furnace to a new high-efficiency model, you could get up to $900 in rebates? ENERGY STAR certified gas furnaces are up to 15% more energy efficient than baseline models and can save up to $85 a year in energy costs. And by upgrading to a high-efficiency ENERGY STAR certified air conditioner, you could qualify for up to $500 in rebates and use up to 8% less energy than conventional models. In addition, your air filters should also be changed at least every 3 months. A dirty filter will slow airflow, wasting energy in the process and making your system work harder to keep you warm or cool. Another smart way to save: install a Wi-Fi programmable thermostat to work around your family's schedule. With proper use throughout the year, programmable thermostats can save up to $180 every year in energy costs. And instead of turning the heat up on cold winter nights, put an extra blanket on the bed and lower your thermostat. Or during the summer, turn up the thermostat and use a fan to keep yourself cool. You'll use less energy and save even more money. To get personalized recommendations for your home, visit dteenergy.com/saveenergy. The more you know, the more you'll save.